Regarding my fees, if you go to alexnesson.com, you can see an idea of what my current fees are. For most cases, I charge an hourly rate. Again, I don't charge for the initial consultation, but I charge an hourly rate, and I generally require something called a retainer. A retainer is something that that goes in general something called a client's trust account, and it doesn't mean that it's either the maximum or the minimum of what I'd be asking for. But for example, just for math purposes, let's say that I charged $100 an hour for math purposes, and let's say that I got a retainer of $2,000. If I did 20 hours on the case, then I wouldn't owe you any money and you wouldn't owe me any money. On the other hand, if I did 10 hours on the case, then I'd return $1,000 to you. If I did 28 hours on a case, you do a payment of $800 to me. I also do have fee agreements or contracts that are listed there. For personal injury cases, I only charge if we end up being successful. And for bankruptcy cases, I generally charge a flat fee depending on the circumstances of if you're filing Chapter 7 or 13 and the details with it. I do occasionally do flat fees for some sort of criminal cases or clerk magistrates hearings, but again, it's generally the hourly rate.